Hi student, welcome in our today's session. In last lecture, we start our new chapter, probability distribution, and in that lecture, we see the exercise question 1 to question 4. Now, see the next question. Here we have given the following probability distribution. That means the given distribution has a probability mass function. That is probability distribution. And we have given the data that is for x random variable x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the corresponding probabilities are given, and we have to determine the value of k, probability of x less than 3, probability of 0 less than x less than 3, and the last one that is probability of x less than 4. First we have given what we have given in exam. We have to ask this type of questions for 3 marks or for 4 marks. First, given distribution or given function given probability distribution is a PMF. That means it satisfies all the conditions of PMF. What are the three conditions? Two conditions of PMF, that is probabilities are all positive, and the second thing that sum of all probability is must 1. So first we use this condition. Here given function is PMF, therefore summation of all probabilities is equal to 1. So take the sum of probabilities k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 1. If given distribution is probability distribution or it is PMF, then sum of all probability is always 1. So see, sum k plus 2k, 3k, 5k plus 3, 8k plus k, that is 9k, and k square plus 2k square, 3k square plus 10, 7, that is 10k square is equal to 1. Therefore, 10k square plus 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we have to factorize this equation, whose product is minus 10 and addition is plus 9. So these two numbers are 9, 10 into 1, that is plus 10 and minus 1. So if you take product of these two, then it is minus 10, and if you take addition, then it is plus 9. Therefore 10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. From this we take k common, 10k in bracket k plus 1, and from this minus 1 common, k plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore k plus 1 into 10k minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore either k plus 1 0 or 10k minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to minus 1 or k is equal to 1 upon 10. But k not equal to 1. Here we get the value of k. K is 1 upon 10. K not equal to minus 1. Because what? If we take value of k is negative, then all probabilities becomes negative, and given distribution is mass function. Since all probabilities are positive, so don't take the negative value of k. We consider here only k is equal to 1 upon 10. Now we have to find second question. That is probability of x less than 3. x 3 पेक्षा कसा आपला लहान आहे. So x 3 पेक्षा लहान कोण कोण आहेत आपल्याकडे 1 and 2. हे 3 सुद्धा इन्क्लूड होणार नाही, because probability that is x is less than 3. Second question, probability of x less than 3, that means p of x is equal to 1 and p of x is equal to 2. 3 पेक्षा लहान कोण आहेत आपल्याकडे इथे फक्त 1 आणि 2. Corresponding probabilities k plus 2k is equal to 3k, and here we find the value of k, that is 3 into 1 upon 10, hence it is 3 upon 10. P of x less than 3, 3 upon 10. Third question, P of 0 less than x less than 3, that means the probability lies between 0 to 3. म्हणजे 0 पेक्षा मोठा कोण आपल्याकडे 1 and 2, and less than 3, that means these numbers 1 and 2. P p of x is equal to 1 and p of x is equal to 2. 0 पेक्षा मोठे but 3 पेक्षा लहान. That means these are 1 and 2. So again this is same as k plus 2k is equal to 3k and value of k 1 upon 10. Hence the answer is 3 upon 10. Question 4. p of x greater than 4. प्रोबॅबिलिटी कशी घ्यायची आहे? x is greater than 4. 4 पेक्षा मोठ्या व्हॅल्यू साठी घ्यायची. मग 4 पेक्षा मोठे कोण? 5, 6 and 7. That is p of x is equal to 5. p of x is equal to 6. p of x is equal to 7. For x is equal to 5, probability is k square plus x is equal to 6, it is 2k square, and for x is equal to 7, it is 7k square plus k. K square plus 2k, 3k square plus 7, that is 10k square plus k. What is value of k? 1 upon 10 plus k 1 upon 10 square. Here it is k square, since 1 upon 10 square is equal to 10 upon 100 plus 1 upon 10. That means it is 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 is equal to 2 upon 10, that is 1 upon 4. That is 0.2. Therefore, probability corresponding to x greater than 4 is 0.2. See the next question. Find the expected value and variance of x using following PMF. You have to find expected value in next question. X we have given, that is x and p of x minus 2 minus 1 0 1 and 2 is 0.2 0.3 0.1 0.15 and 0.25. We have given this is PMF. And we have to find expected value and variance using PMF. So first we construct a table for finding the expected value and variance. In last lecture we see what is formula for expected value and variance. Expected value means summation xi into pi. So make the table. First to construct table. This is values of xi, corresponding probabilities. Then take xi square, next xi pi, and xi square into pi. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and probabilities are 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 0.15 and 0.25. So first take the product square of xi. Minus 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 0 is 0. Again it is 4. Now take the product of xi pi. Minus 2 minus 2.2, that is minus 0.4. Minus 0.3. Then it is 0. 0.15 and 2 into 0.50. 2.25 into 2, that is 0.350. Next, take the product of xi square into pi. This is for variance. Xi square into pi, that is 0.8, 0.3 into 1.3, 0, 0.15, and 0.3 into 1.00. That means it is 1. For expected value and variance, we take the summation of xi here. What is the sum of minus? That is minus 0.05. First take the sum of these. Minus 0.7 and this is the sum of, that is 0.65. It is 5. Again here 16. That means it is 0.05. Minus 0.0. Next, take the summation 2.25. Sum of these is 2.25. 6 minus 1, it is 0. Next, write formula for expected value. Expected value is equal to P of x is equal to, for this formula, that is summation I goes from 1 to n, xi into pi. That sum is minus 0.05. That is mu. Next, formula for variance of x is equal to summation xi square pi minus mu square. Mu means expected value. What is xi square pi? 2.25 square minus 0.05 square. 2.25 square is xi square pi 2.25 as it is, and the square of minus 0.025 is 0.0025, and the difference is 2.2475. That is variance of x. Therefore, expected value for given probability mass function is minus 0.05 and variance of this is 2.2475. Next example, find the expected value and variance of x, the number on the uppermost face of a fair die. On the uppermost face of a fair die. So one fair die is thrown here. A die is thrown. Then the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, x is what? That is uppermost face of the die. Uppermost face of the die. जर die टॉवर हे केला if a die is thrown, then the sample space is what? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. म्हणजे uppermost face ला 1 येऊ शकतो, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. त्या 6 पैकी कोणताही नंबर uppermost face ला असू शकतो. That means x can take values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. X sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, n of x is equal to 6. Therefore, x can take first value if it is 1. Then for x is equal to 1, it is 1 upon 6. Each number, प्रत्येक नंबर येण्याचे चान्सेस हे एकच असेल. तू किती वेळा येऊ शकतो uppermost face ला 1 time. So probability for this 1 upon 6. Again, it is for in each value. P of x is equal to 2, 1 upon 6. P of x is equal to 3, 1 upon 6. For each value, probability is 7. X is equal to 3, here it is 4, 5, and probability of x is equal to 6, it is 1 upon 6. So first we construct the table for this. xi, then pi, next one 3, 4, 5, 1 is 6. For probabilities, for every value it is 1 upon 6. Next take xi square. What is xi square? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. Then take product of x and pi. 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 upon 6. xi square pi. 1 into 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 4 by 6, 9 upon 6. Then it is 25 upon 6. Now take the summation. Sum of these 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 11. That is 21 upon 6. Summation is 21 upon 6. And product of this 1 upon 4, 5, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 16. It is 30, 30 upon 25. That is 55 upon 6. Xi square. We are now write the formula for expected value. That is 36 upon 6 last one. 55 plus, that means it is 91 upon 6. Right formula for expected value again. Expected value, that is E of x is equal to summation x and pi, which is 21 upon 6. If we divide this, then we get the answer, that is 3 upon 5. That is mu is equal to 3.5. And variance of x is equal to summation xi square pi minus mu square. Xi square pi is what? 91 upon 6 minus expected value 21 upon 6 square. 91 upon 6 as it is. And 21 square is 441 divided by 6 square is 36. So multiply here 6 and divide by 6. 91 into 6, that is 546 minus 441 divided by 36. Subtraction of 546 minus 441 is 105 upon 36. And if we divide it with division, then it is 35 upon 12. Variance of x is 35 upon 12. Now see the next question. Find the mean of number of heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. If a coin is tossed, if a coin is tossed, random experiment is what here? A coin is tossed. Find mean of a coin is tossed 3 times. Is tossed 3 times. Then what is the sample space if coin is tossed 3 times? So first H, then it is HHT, next HTH, HTT, THH, THT, then it is TTH and TT. This is sample space for 3 coins. If a coin is tossed 3 times, that means n of s is equal to 8 here. What we have to find here, that means find the mean of number of heads. That means here we have to find expected value. Mean लाच expected value असं म्हटलं जातं. Let x be the number of heads. X denotes the number of heads. आता पहा, if coin is tossed 3 times, then what is x denotes the number of heads. आता कधी कधी 3 हेड येऊ शकतात. 3 हेड 1 टाइम्स येतील. इथे 2 हेड 3 टाइम्स येतात. That means x can take values. X can take values which takes कोणत्या x means what? Total number of heads. म्हणजे हे किती वेळा ऍपल होऊ शकतात. तर एकदाही नाही, तिन्ही वेळा टेल आला तर एक पण हेड नाही येणार. एकदा हेड येऊ शकतं, दोनदा येऊ शकतं किंवा एकदा तिन्ही टाइम मध्ये हेड येऊ शकतं. That means x can take value 0, 1, 2 and 3. So find the corresponding probabilities. First we make the table for this. This is probability distribution. X takes value 0, 1, 2 or it is 3. If x contains no head appear, then it happens only one time. So probability for this 1 upon 6. X contains only one head, that is 1, 2 and it is 3, that is 3 upon 6. X heads can appear takes 2 values, that is 2h. Here it is 2h and it is 2h. Again it is 3 upon 6. And if x takes 3 heads, all uppermost, all are 3 heads, then it is probability for this 1 upon 6. So construct the table for this. xi square, xi pi, xi square into pi. X takes 5, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Like probability for 0 it is 1 upon 6, for 1 3 by 6, 3 by 6 and it is 1 upon 6. Take the square of x. 0, 1, 4 and 9. Xi pi. 0. Then 1 into 3 by 6. 3 by 6. 2 into 3. 6 upon 6. And 3 into again it is 3 by 6. Now last one, that is xi square into pi. Sorry, here it is not 6, it is 8. Here sample space is 8. Xi square pi. First one, it is 0. Then 1 into 3 by 4 into that is 12 upon 8. And the next one, 9 upon 8. Take the sum, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, that is 12 upon 8. Summation xi pi is equal to 12 upon 8. And variance, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 12, that is 24 upon 8, which is equal to 3. Now again write the formula. Here we have to find only mean, that is expected value. Then formula for expected value, that is mean. Or it is also called as a mean. Mu is equal to summation xi pi. That means it is 12 upon 8. That means 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. 3 by 2, 2 1s are 2, it is 1. Then 1.5. Mean is 1.5 in 3 tosses of a coin. Now you should try to solve the next example, which are very easy question. In next lecture we see the new point. Thank you.